Hello, in this video we're gonna check if HUAWEI Nova 10 SE does have the stereo speakers. And to do this we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers on this device with our fingers, and if the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speakers. So now let's find all of the speakers. And on top there's nothing, left side nothing, right side there's also no speaker. On the bottom we can find one speaker right here and another speaker on the screen right here. On the back there's also not signs of any speakers. Now let's try playing some music, covering each of these two speakers and see what kind of speakers this device have. So clearly sound was coming from a bottom speaker only, and that would confirm that this device has the mono speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.